A very good morning, dear students. For your general knowledge class today, let's turn to page 44 of your textbook. And the topic is about special trees. Well, students, I hope all of you know what trees are. A tree is a large woody plant that has a single sturdy stem or trunk and that grows taller than most other plants. Trees provide us with many benefits necessary for survival. They also give us hope and insight and courage to persevere even in the harsh conditions. Ting a tharai babaro na phi pitep ki ei ki ding. Ki ding ki long ki bajarngam, but ki he ki jrong, but ki ai ru ya ki so ki pai. Ki ding ki ai yangi shipon ki jing mentoy ki badon kam yangi ki breu bangin im. Ki ai ru ya ka jinkerman, but ka jingshler ban yaisha wat ha ki ayom ki ba kumno ru. So let's take a look at the following special trees ni kita ki ding ki ba compare ki bangi shem ha ka perthai. Number 1, traveler's tree. The water this tree accumulates in its leaf bases has been used in emergencies for drinking. Its trunk resembles that of a palm tree and attains a height of more than 8 meters. At its top are banana-like leaves with pale midribs that give a fan-like appearance. Tika kabau niu ding upan lang hagi sla ki jang u, lapanan kam hagi por bakar ki bandi ya ka Uniu ding u yasrim yo palm tree, but udon ka renyang jingjrong palat pra mita. Hakliar jong ni uding kidon kisla, but kita kisla ki longkum kisla kan, but habapet ya u yasrim kum ka pangkha. Number 2, Coco de Mer. This tree is a giant of the plant world. It has some of the longest leaves and largest and heaviest seeds of any plant in the world. Its tall, slender trunk may tower up to 34 meters in height, bearing at its crown a mass of palm fronds. Te uni uding Coco de Mer udei uding ubaramha jong kaparthai. Udon yaki sla ki bajrong bat ki bahe bat ki sambai ki bakhya bani kinu ki jingthong jong ka parthai uni uding ujrong hados lai pusau mita bat hakle udon shibon ki sla ki bayar. Number 3, bee orchid. This plant does a brilliant job of mimicking a bumblebee. Consequently, the insect gets drawn to it by what it thinks is a potential mate, but it leaves disappointed. However, from the plant's point of view, it has performed the essential job of pollination. Teune ujingthong bee orchid ule yakakam kabastan da kaba upenbot ya u bumblebee. Ki knyang ki jutur syau da kaba ki perkhat baudeu shenrang henrei upendo jingkermen yaki haba pet nakaliang ki jingthong uni ubi orchid ule ya kata kakam jong ka pollination. Number 4, mandrake. Also known as mandragora, this plant has a root that looks like a human baby when the plant is young. When mature, its cry can be fatal to any person who hears it. Te uniu mandrake la jutip kum u mandragora namar ba uniu jingthung udon uthiet ubakum ukhun benreu haba udang red. Enda uniu jingthung ula san but ula he upenmi ya ka jingyam kabala ban pensngau sherkhei ya ki breu ki bayos ngau ya u. Number 5, monkshood. This popular garden plant is one of the most poisonous plants in the garden, but it has such a distinctive and unpleasant taste that cases of accidental poisoning are extremely rare. Teu neu monkshood udeu jingthung uba kampau nam hakik per sentiu udeu jingthung uba longbi namar baudon ka jingmat kabablat. Number 6, hemlock. This tree is large and graceful. It is known for its pyramidal shape and gently drooping branches. Its delicate leaves, which are dark green and shiny above and silvery white beneath, provide dense shade in the forest or home landscape. Teu neu hemlock udei uding ubahe la jutep ya unamar ba kadur kalong kum uperamet bat kitanat ding kibano ranyuk kisla kilong kibayong jerngam bat pernai hajrong bat li shapo kabaai ka jingka serniu ha ka klau lani ha ki scenery ying. Well, students, as your home assignment, you will write down the description of these trees that you will find from page 44 of your textbook. We will move on with the next chapter, and that is World Cuisines Lani Karukom Shet Jingbam Jong Kaparthai. Food is essential for all living beings. We eat food to live, to grow, and to be healthy. People belonging to different cultures make different types of food varying in taste, flavor, and appearance. Kajing bam kalong kabadan kam na kabanta baro kijing tau ki ba im. Ni bam kijing bam ban im, ban he ban san, bat ban long ki ba kwat ki ba kya. Ki breu ki badai na ki wei ki culture, ru ki shet bon jat kijing bam, kabaya pher ha kajing mat, kajing bang, bat ha kadur kadar. The art of preparing, choosing, and eating food is called gastronomy. Teka sab ban shet, ban jet, bat ban bam ki jing bam ki batay lakhot ka gastronomy. Now let's take a look at the descriptions of the different cuisines of the world. Number 1. Couscous. It is a traditional dish of Tunisia made of steamed or soaked semolina. It is usually served with spicy meat or vegetables. Tikane kadega jajing bam, jong ki brio, jong kari Tunisia, kabala shna lani kabala shet na ukau bala pedem, bat la jubam langru, bat kado kabasat lani ki chur. Number 2. Sushi. Sushi is a Japanese dish comprising small balls or rolls of vinegar flavored cold rice topped with fish. Tiganeka sushi kadeka rukom jingbam jongki Japanese balapan kre daka ja ka blakle lang bat ka vinegar rengkat bat bon jat ki jingkle kum ki jingbam ki banaduriao bat bon sin ki bam im bat ki jhur. Number 3. Dolmas. It is a Greek and Turkish delicacy of spiced rice and vine or cabbage leaves wrapped in chopped meat and onions. Te ki dolmas pat ki de ki jajing bam jong ki Greek bat ki nong Turkey balakle Muslim musla yakaja lani kisla kubi ki plasong bat kado bat ki piat bala odred. Number 4. Tortilla. It is a thin flat maced pancake from Mexico typically eaten with a savory filling. Te une u tortilla pan ude u pancake ubastang but ubala shet na rio hadem ha Mexico but ki breu ki bam lang da ka babso lang but ki wei pat ki jingbam ki ban panbang. Number 5. Cannelloni. It is an Italian dish in which large rolls of pasta are filled with minced meat or vegetable mixture. It is usually cooked in cheese sauce. Te kane kadai kajajing bam kabakinong Italy ki bam ha kabakini ki pasta la thapat kalan lang bat ki do lani ki jhur la jushet ya kane kajajing bam ha ka cheese sauce. Number 6. Goulash. It is a spicy Hungarian stew of meat and vegetables flavored with paprika. Te kane ka goulash kade ka jingbam ka basat bha ka balabam de ki nong Hungary ha ka ba ki shet sarwaya ka do bat ki jhur da ka ba thap lang bat usomin kendung. Number 7. Varenki. Very popular in Ukraine and Russia, these are square or crescent-shaped dumplings of dough stuffed with mashed potato, cheese, cabbage, meat, hard-boiled egg, or a combination of all these. Te ya uniu jajing bam ubala paunam ha Ukraine but Russia kini ki square shape bala kalan na umoida ya kabala thap lang bat upan kle cheese gubi do bat ka peleng. Number 8. Paella. It is a Valencian rice dish. Variations of this dish exist in different Spanish provinces. Te kane kade ka ja bala bam de kinong Valencia Karukam shed kaba pair pinlap hakiway pat ki jaka Jonkari, Spain. I hope all of you have understood the chapter. Thank you for listening and have a great day. For your assignments on this chapter, you will write down the descriptions from number 1 to number 8 in your exercise copy.